Okay, one of the first things we need to do in order to add rational expressions is find the least common denominator. And that's what we're going to work on today, how to find the least common denominator. Now, first you look at your numbers. We have a 3 here, and we have a 2 there. So in the 3 time tables, there's 3, 6, 9. The first number that shows up from the 3 time tables that's in the 2 time tables is the 6. So that's the first part of the LCD. Okay. The 6 is both in the 3 time tables and the 2 time tables. Next, we have an x to the 4th power and x to the second. Or should I say we have 4 x's and 2 x's. As far as the x's are concerned, variables, always choose the higher, which is the 4th power. So it's 4 x's. That's easy. Now, we have also x plus 3's. We have 7 of them here. And over here we have x plus 3's. We have 6 of them there. Always choose the higher number for your LCD. So it'll be the 7 over here. So we're going to say the next is x plus 3. And that's to the 7th power. And that's it. That's how you find your LCD. Let's go to the next one and do the same thing. All right, number 8, we want to find the LCD. Okay, for the numbers, we have a 5 and a 6. And in the 6 time tables, it's 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. And when I get to 30 is when I find the number that's also in the 5 time tables. So, first part of the LCD is 30. Okay, now I have x's. I have 2 x's here and 3 x's there. Always choose the larger x's, so we're going to choose the 3 x's over here to put into the LCD. Now we have x minus 7's. We have 3 of them there, and then 2 of them there. So we're going to choose the larger. So the x minus 7's, we're going to choose the 3 there. So we'll put in x minus 7. And then we'll put 3 of them in there. And we're finished. This is our LCD. All right, least common denominator. All right, let's go to number 9. We're going to put the LCD. And okay, we have a 3 here and a 6 there. Now, for the 6's, the 6 time tables are 6, 12, 18. But 6 is the very first number that also shows up in the 3 time tables. So we're going to use 6 for our LCD here. Now, for the x's, I have 5 here and I have 3 there. Always use the larger amount, so we'll use the 5 x's from here. So we'll put in the 5 x's right there. Okay, now x minus 2's. There's 2 x minus 2's here, but only 1 there. We're going to choose the larger number, which is this one right here, which is x minus 2 to the second. So we'll put x minus 2 to the second. And we're done finding the LCD. Okay, let's see if we can do some more. Okay, so the LCD here. Now we have a 6 and a 4. If I go through some of my 6 time tables, I have 6, 12, and 18. And the first number that matches the 4 time tables is 12. So we'll use 12 for the LCD. Now I have x to the 4th here. And I have x to the 3rd there. The larger of the two will be the x to the 4th. So I'll use that one. Okay, x minus 1's. We got 6 of them here. And we have 5 of the x minus 1's there. Well, the larger of the two is the x minus 1 to the 6th power. So we're going to use that one. The x minus 1 to the 6th power. And we're done. We found the LCD. All right, number 11. All right, for the LCD, that looking D. First, my numbers. I have a 6 and a 3. My 6 time tables would go 6, 12, and 18. But 6 is the very first number that aligns in the 3 time tables too. So let's put 6 for first part of my LCD. And then for my x's, I got 4 of them here and I got 6 of them there. You always use the higher amount, so we're going to use the 6 x's there. So 6 x's. Then I have another factor of x minus 4. I have 1 of them here and I have 2 there, but you always use the larger amount. So the x minus 4s, we're going to use 2 of those. x minus 4. Two of those. Okay. Now, let's look at number 12. Number 12, talk about LCD. We have a 12 and an 8. My 12 timetables would be 12, 24, 36. And 24 is also in the 8 timetables. So we're going to use 24 as our LCD. 24. Now, the x's. I have x to the third power here and x to the third power there. So since they're both the same power, it doesn't matter which one I use. So I'm going to use just x to the third power. Okay, now we have x plus 1s. I have one of them here, and I have two there. The greatest amount is the x minus 1s over here. There's two there, so we use 2 of the x plus 1s. I don't know why I said minus. So x plus 1, and we use 2. And that's how you find your greatest common. So your least common denominator for